Hi, I'm Alicia. At Closets to Go, we are different by design in more ways than one. We have purposely chosen to do things different in our product line and in terms of servicing our clients. In order to achieve the highest level of customer satisfaction possible, we have completely done away with the traditional commission sales agent and in turn have repositioned our company to service each client with a team of consultants. Unlike that commission sales agent whose main focus is making the sale, our team approach allows for a positive company culture that focuses on helping our clients regardless of the sale. We find the customer experience is truly enriched with this approach as we are able to cater a more tailored and attentive experience from our initial contact and beyond. We take great pride in the reviews and feedback we receive from our clients, raving about their customer experience and ecstatic that they purchased a custom closet at a fraction of what they would have paid elsewhere. At Closets to Go, you are truly our #1 priority. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to sign up for our weekly videos delivered directly to your inbox.